Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the Files application. Here you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, and other. Wait, is there Files, Realme Files application? No. Okay, here you have File Manager. You go here. Don't use this Google one, just instead use this one. So here you can transfer photos, videos, audio, documents, APKs, archives, and also downloads. So let's transfer, for example, some photo. For example, this one. Then tap if you want to copy or if you want to move it. So let's copy it to our SD card. Then select a folder where you want to copy it, for example, download, and then tap copy to here. And as you can see, now I have this photo on my SD card in download folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.